What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the holo pocket knife. Let's begin. Okay, in this situation, I don't know the name of this guy, which you could definitely... So that's why I'm calling it a holo. So this basically looks similar to one of those really old, old vintage knives out there. This ring on there and all. Of course, here's some silver, basically some construction on this, like all sided out there. The blade itself is, now as you can definitely know, how do you open it out there is, well, with the basically the clip style out there, finger clip out there, and just to close it is just pretty simple. So yeah, this is definitely a stainless steel one, and it's let's see here, it's made in China. Oh, I should have known. So size on this piece, basically a 2 inches. The handle itself is basically of 3 inches. With the overall size is 5.5 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. So, the results on there. Yeah, it's not good. I mean, let's see. It's not that sharp at all. Like, I mean, just... See, I'm just... Yeah, that's supposed to be the strike on that thing. You could see, if I can focus on it. Yeah, it's supposed to be a strike on there, but again, it didn't work well. So, yeah, this is pretty bad out there. So, I'm giving the rating on this guy basically a score of, a 5 out of 10. It's not a really good, didn't chop well out there or cut through it. But I do see how they take the idea of using a very much old classic piece, but with the weird hologram, holo stuff on there. So that wraps up of the holo folding knife. I'm Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.